Hi students, welcome to ChemShore. Today in this video, I am sharing with you the tricks to study the Maxwell relation. By hearting Maxwell relation is too difficult, so let's try this. Okay. Firstly, you have to draw the square and mark S, P, T, V and H, G, A, U. Okay, in this manner. First we are writing from here, that is dou S by dou V, that is SV, and we are writing dou S by dou V, and opposite to dou S by dou V we have P and T, and we are writing dou P by dou T. Okay, and then we have to write the constant terms. For that is opposite of S is T, and so we can write the constant term as T, and here opposite of P is V, hence we can write the constant term as V. Okay. Next we have to put sign. For that is arrow starts from the S and ends at the T. That means arrow is away from the S, hence we can write the sign as positive. Hence we can write the sign as positive sign. Okay. And also here the arrow starts from the P and ends at the V, and this arrow is away from the P, that is towards the V, hence we can write this as a positive. Okay, this is the first Maxwell relation. Now next, second Maxwell relation. Okay, this here we are taking SP, that is dou S by dou P, and opposite to S and P we have dou V by dou T. Okay, that is opposite to S and P we have V and T. Okay, next we have to write that constant terms. Okay, next we have to express the constant term. Okay, for that here the opposite of S is T, hence we can write the constant term as T, and the opposite of V term, the opposite, that is dou V by dou T, then opposite of V term is P, hence we can write the constant term as P. Next we are introducing sign. Okay, that is here arrow is towards the temperature, that is towards this side, hence we can write this as a positive term. But here arrow is towards V, that is arrow is towards this term. Okay, hence we can indicate that this sign as negative sign. That is when arrow is away from that particular term, we can express this term as a positive quantity. When arrow is towards this term, hence we can indicate this term as a negative term. So we can write here negative sign. Okay. Here is the second Maxwell relation. Okay. Now next these two terms. That is TV. Okay, that is dou T by dou V equal to, that is opposite of T, here is P, that is dou P, opposite of V, here is S. Okay. Now next constant term. Okay, can you say which is the constant term for this? That is for dou T by dou V. Dou T by dou V, that is opposite of T is S. Okay, all of you got it. Now next, the opposite of P. Opposite of P is V. Okay, It is at constant V. Now here the arrow is towards this temperature, hence we can indicate this as a negative quantity, and the arrow is towards the V, hence we can express this as a positive quantity. Here is the third Maxwell relation. Next we are writing the last relation, that is T by dou P equal to, that is dou T by dou P equal to dou V by dou S. Now next we have to write the constant term, that is opposite to T, here we have S, and opposite to V, here we have P. Now lastly we have to express what sign, that is here arrows towards the T, and here we have to, here arrow is towards the temperature, hence we can write the negative sign, and also we have the arrow is towards V, and we can write that is negative sign, that is negative of negative cancel out. Hence we have an expression like this, that is dou T by dou P S equal to dou V by dou S P. Okay. I hope you all got these in a right manner, and try to follow this trick and try to get rid of from by hearting. Okay. Let us wind up this section. Thank you.